So this is actually a repetition of the video because we explained amides and amines in a video that we discovered was not recorded. So anyways, so the last family of organic compounds, the last family you should know. Amines and amides. So far we discussed
Alkanes,
alkanes,
alkenes,
alkenes,
alcohols,
alcohols,
carboxylic acids,
carboxylic acids,
and esters.
and this plus this will give me an ester. So in esters, the name, we mentioned the alcohol, then the carboxylic acid. And in this formula, we flip
The carboxylic acid is first,
carboxylic acid,
then
then
the
the name, then the alcohol. So you can remember by ethyl ethanoate. Ethanoate is what?
so
The
carboxylic
carboxylic acid. So in the name, you just remember ethyl ethanoate. The name ethanoate is the carboxylic acid, and it comes second, so it will come first in the formula. Okay? Okay. Let's go back to amines and amides. These are the two families of organic compounds. So, what made the alkanes special? Nothing.
Nothing.
Right? What makes alkene special is the double bond, right?
Mhm.
What makes alcohol special? The
The-
COH, the hydroxide. What makes carboxylic acids special? COOH. What made ester special?
The CO.
COO. Okay? That's RCOO R2. That's an organic acid, and this is an alcohol, because we said that in the formula they are flipped. Okay? So what makes amines special?
The NH2.
They have an NH2 group. So basically it's something like this, or generally speaking we can convert that to R and get NH2. Okay, that's the very simplest amine. We can have something with 4 carbons. I don't know its name, so don't ask me. I don't know its name. That's what makes amines special. Amines. So another family is called amides. What makes them special?
The CONH2.
So it's amines and amides are some sort of like alcohols, and the carboxylic acids, they're some sort of similarity. So amides have this group. So C double bond O NH2. We have an R. This is what makes them special. It's called amide group. That's CONH2. Okay? And we have here R. R represents any other organic. We don't care about it. This is what makes amide special.
Okay.
And this is what makes amines. Okay? We're done. Thank you.